Tired of seeing irrelevant posts cluttering your Instagram feed? Let's get that feed streamlined. First, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, look for the word following right under your bio and tap on it. This will take you to a list of all the accounts you currently follow. You can easily find accounts to unfollow by tapping on Sort By at the top. I will sort by least interacted with. Scroll through this list, you'll see accounts you might have forgotten you even followed. To unfollow an account, simply tap the following button next to their name. It will change to a follow button, confirming you've unfollowed them. Sometimes, tapping following brings up a confirmation window. Just tap unfollow to proceed. And just like that, you've unfollowed another account, decluttering your feed one step at a time. Repeat this process for any other accounts you want to unfollow. A cleaner, more engaging Instagram feed awaits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks to master your social media game.